Hi traders, good evening all. Hope you all doing good. So let's see what is my trade plan for tomorrow's weekly expiry day for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So what Nifty did today was Nifty just opened here, rejected previous day's POC zone and started drifting lower and came all the way down. Okay, I thought we might test this 15717 20 zone, this VPOC zone, but short of a few points. And what Nifty did, Nifty future, what it did was the same thing. So it also had a gap down open and it started drifting lower. So it started again, it tested previous day's POC zone and started scaling down. So again 15730 was the POC on downside. So this was again short of few points. Bank Nifty a gap down open, went and tested previous day's high, rejected it, started scaling down, but it was totally auctioned within previous day's range. Okay, if you see Bank Nifty, it auctioned totally mostly within previous day's range. So what I'm looking for Nifty today, tomorrow. So basically this is the reference level on downside. Okay, 15730 on Nifty future is the reference level on downside. Any down move will happen only if we break this 15700 mark. If you see, the highest open interest on put side is also at 15700 as of now. Okay, this is where the highest open interest, and next is at 15600, and the highest call open interest is at 15900, and next is 15800. Okay, so basically tomorrow this says we are going to have a good volatile session for sure. Hope so. So tomorrow, in case if we hold this mark, okay, if we hold this 15730 mark, and if we go and take this 15795, okay, then we are going to test 15822 and 15845 levels. In case if we open here, either break of this level which is at 15850 will move price towards 15890 and 15900. Again, if this breaks 15795, we are on towards 15730. So as of now the range looks 15700 to 15900 for tomorrow's broader range. Okay, so depending on the open we will conclude what trade to do. In Bank Nifty, the same case, we have a downside VPOC at 34750. Tomorrow is a Fed meeting. Okay, tomorrow is a Fed meeting, so probably I guess tonight, I'm not sure about that. So definitely we are going to have a gap open for sure. So in case if Bank Nifty breaks 35,000, we are on towards 34,750. Okay, if it takes support, then we might expect a bounce again back towards 35,000 and 3590 levels. If it opens flat, say like if it opens inside 35,200, so we need to wait for a breakout to happen, either towards the downside or either towards the upside. If it breaks 35,450 level, if it opens flat and if it breaks 35,450 levels, then we are on for this upside epoch. In Bank Nifty, if you see the open interest, pegs around 35,000 and on the lower side it is 34,500. So Bank Nifty exactly closed at this level because the highest open interest is on this only. Okay, so 35,000 holds the highest put open interest as well as call open interest, and next is 34,500. Here it's 35,500, which also matches with this range, 35,650 and 34,750. Okay. So as of now the range is between these two epochs. We will see how it opens and we will trade accordingly. And coming to Infi, okay, so this was the short trade I took after the rejection happened here. So I took a short here. I was looking for 1463. This epoch I was looking for after this rejection, but it held. It took the day's high. Okay, and I booked my losses once it tested the VWAP. So again tomorrow, if it is a gap down open, if it breaks 1470 levels, then we are on for 1463, and even the stretch target would be 1450 levels. I mean 14447 levels, 1447 levels VPOC. On the higher side, 1500 is the resistance. So if you see the call option, 1500 is the highest open interest. So I felt that is where I said this might be a resistance. Again it resisted somewhere here and it closed here. So let's see how it opens tomorrow. Okay, so as always, have a wonderful expiry day trading. Respect risk. If you don't respect risk, then sooner or later you will be out of markets. Okay, so risk and risk management, it should be your number one goal. If there is a trade, go and trade, else don't trade. Market is going to stay here always. Take care. Good night. Bye all.